Scarsdale Senior High School by Ella Skinner. Background of the high school. It's in Scarsdale, New York. It has 1,530 students. It is a public school with 0% free and reduced lunch. The school is made up of 68.4% white students, 14.7% Asian, 7.8% Hispanic, 1.4% Black, and 5.7% other. School history. Town records show that the local school existed in Scarsdale by 1784. In 1897, residents petitioned the Board of Education for a special meeting to propose creating a union-free school district for Scarsdale, and Scarsdale began to add sports in the year 1920. Faculty. There are 18 world language teachers, 20 math teachers, 13 special education teachers, 19 social studies teachers, 7 physical education teachers, 27 science teachers, 19 English teachers, 7 art teachers, 9 counselors, and 2 school nurses. Curriculum features. In 2008, Scarsdale High School began replacing advanced placement classes with a locally devised curriculum called Advanced Topics. This is intended to be more difficult. In the 1990s, Scarsdale added senior internship programs to decrease the amount of students in a senior slump. These are the graduation requirements. You must have 4 English credits, 4 social studies credits, 3 science credits, and they have to be biology, a physical science, plus another science, 3 math credits, 1 world language credit, 1 art or music credit, half of a health credit, and 2 credits of physical education. They score very high on their state assessments. They're 99% proficient in both reading and math. The average SAT score is 1380, which is above the U.S. average of 1,059. And their average ACT score is a 31, which is very high compared to the U.S. average of 20.8. They added a special education program in 1960, and they have been adding new services to it ever since. These are the sports that they have: cheerleading, boys and girls cross country, girls field hockey, football, boys and girls soccer, girls swimming, girls tennis, boys and girls volleyball, boys and girls basketball, boys and girls bowling, cheerleading, gymnastics, ice hockey, boys and girls skiing, boys swimming, boys and girls track, wrestling, boys tennis, girls softball, girls and boys lacrosse, girls and boys golf, girls and boys crew club, and baseball. Their mission statement states, "The Scarsdale Public Schools seek to sponsor each student's full development, enabling our youth to be effective and independent contributors in a democratic society and an interdependent world. To this end, we endeavor to help them to think and express themselves clearly, critically, and creatively, to understand themselves and others within the broad fabric of human experience and the natural universe, to appreciate their rights and responsibilities as citizens, and to become people of integrity, maturity, and generous spirit. A measure of their success is the degree to which they fulfill their potential for the common good. Valuing our individuality, we unite to keep the flame of learning." These are my sources.